Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we are going to be looking at how to deactivate your Instagram account. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So of course, firstly what you want to do is make your way to your account on Instagram. On the bottom left you'll see a button for a hamburger menu selecting for more. Just click on that. It'll give you another pop-up menu and you'll have settings, your activity, saved, switch appearance, report a problem. All you want to do is click on the settings area. The next page that it'll give you is your actual profile area where you can edit out. All we're going to be focusing on here is actually getting to the deactivation part or the deletion part for Instagram. So Instagram has actually changed this now. So if you look to your top left, you'll see the Meta Account Center. All you want to do is go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be directed to another page. This is the Account Center now. You'll be able to view your profiles, the personal details, password and security, information permissions, and ad preferences. So now all you want to do is on your left, you'll see within the account settings, just below accounts, personal details. You want to go ahead and click on that. So of course you'll be brought to your personal details. It will contain your sensitive information, of course, like your contact information, your date of birth, identity confirmation as well. But all we need to focus on there is the account ownership and control. So go ahead and select on that. You'll then get a new pop-up asking for a deactivation or deletion. So this is the account ownership and control. Go ahead and proceed to click the deactivation or deletion. Then you'll be able to select the account that you want to deactivate. So depending how many you have on a certain device, especially if you are on mobile as well, you can choose to deactivate a list of them. So currently at the minute I have learning mode on my screen, so we're going to go ahead and deactivate that. So once you've selected the account that you want to deactivate, it'll ask you whether you want to deactivate the account. That means just temporarily suspending the account, or if you want to delete it, so that's something permanent, you can select that option. So once you're happy enough, just click continue, and that's pretty much your account deactivated. So folks, that reaches the end of the video. Just to let you guys know, it does work on mobile as well, so you can carry out the same tutorial on there. Just follow the steps and you'll be able to deactivate it on mobile. If you do, however, find that Instagram has updated the deactivation, please do let us know in the comment section below. But other than that guys, I will see you for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.